Folks, welcome to the channel. Good day. If you are receiving one-time images on WhatsApp and you would like to save that one-time image, I'm going to show you a few ways to do so. Let's get into it. So we're in WhatsApp here and you can see I have received a one-time photo. Okay, it's down over here on the left. Now, once I tap on this one-time photo, it will open up. Now, if I try to screenshot it by using my volume key and my power key, you'll see at the bottom it says can't take screenshots due to specific security policies. Also, when you're screen recording, you won't be able to screen record the image either. It'll just be a blank screen. So what you can do is use a piece of software called SCRCPY. It is screen mirroring application. So basically what you do is you install this on your computer and you're able to mirror your phone screen and you'll be able to take a screenshot on your computer. Now, if you try and open this photo on your WhatsApp desktop application, you will not be able to open it up either. There are also quite a few third-party screen capturing apps that you can go ahead and use, but not all of them will bypass the security policies. But it's always good to go ahead and explore and see which ones work and which ones don't. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace.